Students, in this video we will see the laws of logarithm. The laws of logarithm. So first, if a raised to power 0 equal to 1, then we can write in log form as log to the base a of 1 equal to 0. अगर a raised to power 0 equal to 1 है, अगर उसे हम log में लिखते हैं तो किस तरह से लिखेंगे? Log to the base a of 1 equal to 0. Also, if a raised to power 1 equal to a, then log to the base a of a equal to 1. Clear, student? Now there are some fundamental laws of logarithm. First law, log to the base a of m into n is equal to log to the base a of m plus log to the base a of n. जिस तरह से एक्सपोनेंट्स में हमने लॉस पढ़े हैं, सेम लॉस हम लॉगरिथम में पढ़ेंगे. यहाँ पे m and n इन दोनों के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइन है. व्हेन वी स्प्लिट दिस लॉग, देन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन चेंजेस इनटू एडिशन. सो log to the base a of m plus log to the base a of n. Second law, log to the base a of m upon n equal to the log to the base a of m minus log to the base a of n. डिवीजन में क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस log टू द बेस a ऑफ m रेज टू पावर n. log टू द बेस a ऑफ m रेज टू पावर n. तो ये जो पावर है ये आपकी स्टार्टिंग में आ जाएगी n log टू द बेस a ऑफ m. सो दीज आर द थ्री फंडामेंटल्स लॉ विच वी विल यूज फॉर सॉल्विंग एक्सरसाइज 6b. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ एक्सरसाइज 6b, इवेल्युएट बाय सिंप्लीफिकेशन यूजिंग लॉ. Question number 1a, log to the base 0.2 of 0.008. It is written as log to the base 0.2, 0.008 is written as 0.2 cube. Now from law number 3, this power come in front. So 3 log to the base 0.2 of 0.2, and here we have seen that log to the base a of a equal to 1. So by using this, log to the base 0.2 of 0.2 is 1. So 3 into 1 equal to 3. So here we have used law number 3 and log to the base a of a equal to 1. Clear, student? Now question number C, log to the base 3 of 27 root 3. 27, now this square root 3 is written as 3 raised to power 1 by 2. जब हम स्क्वायर रूट की सिंबल हटाएंगे and when we convert this into power, the power is 1 upon 2, and in between these two there is a sign of multiplication. So 27 into 3 raised to power 1 by 2. 27 is written as 3 cube into 3 raised to power 1 by 2. दोनों के बेस सेम है. हम पावर्स को क्या कर लेंगे? पावर्स बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइन है तो पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगी? ऐड. सो log to the base 3 of 3 plus 1 by 2, when we solve we get 7 upon 2. Now this power, according to the law of logarithm, by using third law, this power come in front. So 7 upon 2 log to the base 3 of 3, and log to the base 3 of 3 is 1. So 7 upon 2 into 1 equal to 7 upon 2. Clear, student? Now question number 2c, log 125 minus log 5 upon log 25. 125 is written as 5 cube, log 5 as it is, 25 is written as 5 square. Now using third law, this power come in front, so it becomes 3 log 5 minus log 5 upon 2 log 5. We take log 5 common in numerator, so 3 minus 1 inside the bracket and 2 log 5 in denominator. Log 5 is cancelled. 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. Clear, students? So use the laws and solve the question. Now we see next question of the exercise. Now students, question number 3a, log to the base 2 of 8 into square root 32. 8 is written as 2 cube, root 32 is written as 32 raised to power 1 by 2. Now 32 is 2 raised to power 5 into 1 upon 2. Now we are seeing that in both the bases are 2. So we take one common base and there is a sign of multiplication. So according to the law of exponent, the power will be added. So 3 plus 5 into 1 upon 2 is 5 upon 2. So 3 plus 5 upon 2. When we take out the LCM and solve, we will get 11 upon 2. So log to the base 2 of 2 raised to power 11 upon 2. By using third law of logarithm, 11 upon 2 come in front. So 11 upon 2 log to the base 2 of 2, and we know that log to the base 2 of 2 is 1. So 11 upon 2 into 1 is 11 upon 2, and in mixed fraction it is 5 whole number 1 upon 2. Clear, student? Students, question number D. Log to the base 4 of 16 into cube root of 256 upon 4 root 64. Now what we are observing that the base is 4 here. So we try to make 4 in all this simplification. So 16 is written as 4 square, 256 is written as 4 raised to power 4, and this cube root, when it changes into power, it becomes 1 upon 3, and in denominator 64, so 64 is written as 4 cube raised to power 1 upon 4. Now 4 square, 4 into 1 upon 3 is 4 upon 3, 3 into 1 upon 4 is 3 upon 4. Now what we are observing that in numerator and denominator the bases are same, and the base is 4. So here we take one common base, there is a sign of multiplication, so the power will be added. 2 plus 4 upon 3 upon 4 raised to power 3 upon 4. Now log to the base 4 of 2 plus 4 upon 3 is 4 raised to power 10 upon 3 upon 4 raised to power 3 upon 4. Now in both numerator and denominator the base is same, we take one common base, and when the power of the denominator goes in the numerator, it becomes minus 3 upon 4. When we solve this power, we are getting 40 minus 9 upon 12, which is 31 upon 12. So according to the third law of logarithm, this 31 upon 12 comes in front. So 31 upon 12 log to the base 4 of 4 is equal to 31 upon 12 into 1, which is 31 upon 12. Clear, student? Now question number 4a. Log to the base 2 of root 6 plus log to the base 2 of square root 2 upon 3. This square root changes into power, becomes 1 upon 2. This square root changes into power, becomes 1 upon 2. 6 is written as 2 3s are 6 raised to power 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3. यहाँ पे देखिए आपका ये डिवीजन फॉर्म में है, तो अगर हम इसको स्प्लिट करेंगे देन इट बिकम्स माइनस. सो लॉग टू द बेस 2 ऑफ 2 रेस्ट टू पावर 1 अपॉन 2 माइनस लॉग टू द बेस 2 ऑफ 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 1 अपॉन 2. यहाँ पे भी हम पावर्स को स्प्लिट जो है 2 इंटू 3 है, तो लॉग और पावर दोनों को स्प्लिट करेंगे. सो वी आर गेटिंग लॉग टू द बेस 2 ऑफ 2 रेस्ट टू पावर 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस देयर इज अ साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो इट बिकम्स प्लस log to the base 2 of 3 raised to power 1 by 2 plus log to the base 2 of 2 raised to power 1 by 2 minus log to the base 2 of 3 raised to power 1 by 2. Plus and minus, these 2 will eliminate. So only left is log to the base 2 of 2 raised to power 1 by 2 plus log to the base 2 raised to power 2 1 by 2. When we add, we are getting 2 log to the base 2 raised to power 2 1 by 2. Now this power come in from 2 into 1 upon 2 into log to the base 2 of 2. 2 and 2 is cancel, so here 1 and log to the base 2 of 2 is 1, we know it, so 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer of question number 4a is 1. Student, you follow the steps and use the law properly, then you will get the answer. Clear? Now we see next question. Students, question number 5. Prove that log to the base 10 of 20 plus log to the base 10 of 50 equal to log to the base 3 of 27. We take left hand side first, log to the base 10 of 20 plus log to the base 10 of 50. So what we are observing that in both the base and base are same, log to the base 10, log to the base 10. So we take log to the base 10 common, there is a sign of addition here, so 20 into 50. 20 into 50 is 1000. 1000 is written as 10 cube. Now according to third law of logarithm, this 3 comes in front. 3 log to the base 10 of 10 and 3 log to the base 10 of 10 is 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Now we take right hand side, log to the base 3 of 27. 27 is written as 3 cube. This 3 comes in front, 3 log to the base 3 of 3, which becomes 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Now what we are observing that the left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next question number D, log to the base 2 of log to the base 3 of 81 equal to 2. Take left hand side, log to the base 2 log to the base 3 of 81. 81 is written as 3 raised to power 4. So in this bracket this 4 come in front, which become 4 log to the base 3 of 3, which is 4 into 1. So log to the base 2 of 4. 4 is written as 2 square. Again this power come in front. 2 log to the base 2 of 2 is equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2, which is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Clear, student? Now question number 7. Simplify. Log to the base 8 of 32 raised to power 2 by 5 into 4 raised to power minus 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 upon 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 2 into 64 raised to power minus 1 upon 3. 32 is written as 2 raised to power 5, 4 is written as 2 square, 8 is written as 2 cube, 64 is written as 4 cube. पावर के ऊपर पावर होती है तो पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 5 5 कैंसल, 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, and here 3 and 3 is cancelled. So the left part is 2 square into 2 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 2 into 4 raised to power minus 1. Now this 4 is written as 2 square. 2 squared. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 here. अब सारे जगह न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर जब बेस सेम हो जाएंगे तो हम पावर्स को सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे. सो 2 minus 1 plus 1 is 2 square, and here 2 raised to power minus 2, and this is 2 square, so 2 raised to power minus 2, which is 2 raised to power minus 4. So this 2 square is log to the base 8 of 4, and this 2 raised to power minus 4 becomes plus 4. So log to the base 8 of 8, which is equal to 1. Clear, student? Now we see next question. Question number 8. Prove that 27 raised to power log 2 equal to 8 raised to power log 3. We assume let this x is equal to 27 raised to power log 2 and y equal to 8 raised to power log 3. We take log, first we solve this x equation and then y equation. We take log on both side of x equation. Log x equal to log 27 raised to power log 2. अब ये पावर में है, थर्ड लॉ ऑफ लॉगरिथम से ये log 2 आपका फ्रंट में आ जाएगा into log 27. 27 is written as 3 cube. Again this power comes in front, become 3 log 3. So log x equal to log 2 into 3 log 3. Same we solve equation for y. Y equal to 8 raised to power log 3. So log y equal to log 8 raised to power log 3. Log 3 comes in front into log 8. Log 8 is written as 2 cube, which is 3 log 2. So we are assuming that log x and log y both are equal, hence proved. Clear? Now question number 9. If a is equal to log 20, b equal to log 8 upon 3 and c equal to 2 log root 3 upon 2, then find a minus b minus c. a, b और c की वैल्यूज़ जो दी हुई उनको हम सब्सटीट्यूट कर देंगे. a is log 20, b is log 8 upon 3 and c is minus 2 log root 3 upon 2. Log 20 as it is, log 8 upon 3, this root changes to power becomes 1 upon 2. Now log 20 minus, अब देखिए यहाँ पर डिवीजन है तो हम इनको स्प्लिट कर लेंगे. सो log 8 माइनस log 3, ये आपकी पावर जो है ये फ्रंट में आ जाएगी 2 इंटू 1 अपॉन 2 log 3 और ये माइनस 2 log 2. क्लियर? 2 and 2 is cancel here. log 20 minus log 8 plus minus n, minus is plus log 3 minus log 3 minus and minus again plus 2 log 2. Plus log 3 minus log 3 is cancelled. The left part is log 20 minus log 8 plus 2 log 2. 20 is written as 2 into 2 into 5. Log 8 is written as 2 cube plus 2 log 2. This is log, सारे हम सबको हम स्प्लिट कर देंगे. log 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 minus 3 log 2 plus 2 log 2. Now we take log 2 common. So 1 is here, 1 is here, minus 3 is here and plus 2 is here, plus log 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So log 2 into 1 is log 2 plus log 5. Now we take common log, there is a sign of addition, so 2 into 5 log 10, and by default every time the base of log is 10, so log to the base 10 of 10 is 1. Clear? So here is the solution of question number 9. Okay student, now we see next question, question number 10. Number 10. if x equal to log to the base 10 of 12, y equal to log to the base 4 of 2 into log to the base 10 of 9 and z equal to log to the base 10 of 0.4, then find x minus y minus z. So students, here the value of x, y, z is given. We substitute the value of x, y, z in x minus y minus z. So x is log to the base 10 of 12 minus log y, log to the base 4 of 2 into log to the base 10 of 9 is y, and log to the base 10 of 0.4 is z. Now you see that in y the log 4, the base is 4, this 4 is written as 2 square into 2 into log to the base 10 of 9 minus log to the base 10 of 0.4 as it is. Now this 2 square becomes half, 1 by 2 log to the base 2 of 2 into 9 is written as 3 square. Now this 1 upon 2 and log to the base 2 of 2 is 1, so 1 upon 2 is left here into this becomes 2 log to the base 10 of 3 minus log to the base 10 of 0.4. Clear student? Now log to the base 10 of 12, this 2 and 2 is cancelled, minus log to the base 10 of 3 minus log to the base 10 of 0.4, log to the base 10 of 12 minus, now here we are seeing we take these two in one bracket, so here we are getting 3 into 0.4 which is 1.2. So log to the base 10 of 12 minus log to the base 10 of 1.2 which is log to the base 10 of 12 upon 1.2 which is log to the base 10 of 10 which is 1. So students, you finish up to question number 10 of your exercise 6B in your mathematics copy, and in next video we will see rest of the question of the exercise. Thank you student.